Hi, I'm Rebecca Foster, founder of Lower Interior Design. At Lower Interior Design, we're an approachable design firm that reduces overwhelm, instills confidence, and effectively documents the entire process so that you don't have to worry about a thing. Over the past decade, and after working with well over 100 homeowners like you, I've refined an educate first, create second approach that helps you feel informed all the way throughout the process. We offer a structured, transparent, and very organized approach to interior design, helping you design your dream home with confidence. And I do say helping you because I want you to be involved. I know you want to be involved, and I want you to be proud of every single decision at the end of the day. We typically work with busy professionals who have a family and who want to be involved in the process but need a team that they can trust to guide them through every single detail. From full service interior design and furnishing packages for clients anywhere in the Lower Mainland, so from Maple Ridge to Whistler, we can help you in person or virtually through our online design immersion days. Essentially, that's a VIP day to help you get that small project planning checked off your to-do list. We also provide online resources for homeowners who want to be educated and informed during their renovations. Feel free to check out our website to find more information. I'm so happy you found us. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us through our contact page. We'll chat soon.